Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. Alright, so the Linux lsusb command will list information about USB devices that are inside or connected to the system. So basic usage, you can say lsusb and just go ahead and hit enter here. And that is going to give you a list of your devices, what bus they're on, the device number, the ID for the device, and a description of the device. So you can see all these things connected to my system. And what else do I want to show you? So another useful thing, you can specify dash dash tree like this, and it's going to give you a tree of devices, which is really nice. So yeah, there you go. Look at that nice tree of what's connected to what. So anyways, that's nice to be aware of, but yeah, not super incredibly useful. So let's just clear that out of there. Another thing I wanted to show you is you can say dash D. You can use a dash capital D and say, for example, dev bus USB, and you can say, for example, 002/003 for the Elgato Systems HD60X, right? So bus 2, device 3, so we can look at the device right here, and if you specify that device with the dash D, you can basically select that specific device and view a whole bunch of information about it, right? So you can dump a whole bunch of information about that specific device, which is pretty neat if you want more information about it. So that's all fine and great. And what else? So it's lsusb again, and you can also say dash lowercase d, and you can specify a matching vendor product ID. So let's say if we want to do the Elgato HD60X again, we can copy this, paste it right here, and hit enter, and there we go. We can select only that one device. It's not going to give us details, but it's going to show us, it will let us select that one specific device. Now, the other thing you can do it with matching bus dev number. So, for example, you could do, all right, with a dash S, you could do 002, 003, and select the same device just based on the bus and device number. So there you go. That's basically everything I wanted to show you for the lsusb command. Super useful to be aware of. But yeah, that's all the important stuff I wanted to cover for this command. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.